Hi guys, it's Mandakini here, your partner in wellness. Thanks for registering and deciding to join us for the Taste of Holistic Weight Loss, our holiday edition workshop. As you know, we'll be meeting on Sunday, the 10th of December at 8 a.m. Queensland time, 9 a.m. if you're in New South Wales and Victoria. And if you're under states or other countries, you'll need to work out the timing that works, that is in your time zone. We meet for 4-hour workshop. Now, I'm making this video to help you prepare and really get the maximum benefit out of this time together. I'm really excited. I've been testing the recipes and writing the shopping list for you. So I'm already really excited. Now, the main reason for this workshop is really there's a couple of reasons. One, we're going into the holiday season, which when we want to look after our weight and wellness is a very tricky time. There's lots of temptation, there's lots of sugar, there's lots of alcohol. Very easy to get out of our wellness habits and put on weight really quickly. So what we're going to do in this workshop is really help you with some idea and a very concrete strategy. You will leave this program. My intention is that you will leave this program with a little program that you can take into the holiday to really minimize the damage and keep your wellness and weight under control as much as possible. For those of you that haven't done any of our wellness programs, but you heard about the great benefits that our participants and our graduates are getting, you will get to taste, pun intended, you'll get to experience personally the foundations and all the pillars of our system. So in this email, you have the shopping list and you have the recipes that you will need for the cooking session. If you choose to cook with us, I suggest if you can print them. I literally, even though I'm the one that written them, I actually take my shopping list to the shop and I tick in these little boxes when I have the ingredient. Now, if you don't want to cook with us, it's absolutely fine. If it's first time and you just want to observe, that's 100% fine. So when we meet, I'd like you, if you can, be seated with your device. Laptop is best if you have a laptop, or your iPad or your phone, in a nice quiet place. We're going to start with our master class. And what we're going to cover the 8 reasons we put on weight and why it's so hard to get rid of it, what to do over Christmas, what steps to take, how to prioritize. We're going to devise a little program for you that will help you stay stable throughout this time. Then, so you may want a pen and paper to take notes because we're going to have a lot of good information to share. Then the next part of it is we're gonna shift over to our yoga session. It's gonna be live and via Zoom, of course. We're doing all via Zoom. All you need is a bit of a blanket. If you have a yoga mat, great. If you're new and you haven't done much yoga, just a blanket will do. And for that, we're gonna need your device pointed at you so I can actually see you. If you're new, there is a link here. Please fill in your questionnaire, or even if you want to jump on the phone and just tell me what your limitations are, what you want to focus on, that will be very helpful. Either way, just rest assured that we have lots of variations to cater for every level. So in this class, we're going to work on some moves that you can do through the holiday to also reduce appetite, tighten the digestion, tighten your waistline, just help you stay tight and toned from the inside. And then we are going to move for our third step of the program. We're going to move into the kitchen and we're actually going to cook these recipes. So again, if you can have those recipes printed and just handy, that's easier. If not, that's okay, no problem. But if you have them easier, it just helps and make it, just makes it easier for us because it's all in front of you. Now, if you are going to cook with us, if you have the opportunity to do a little bit of veggie prep, so things like chopping your parsley, chopping your sun-dried tomato, chopping your olives, grating the ginger, we'll be able to get through more recipes quicker. and you'll just be prepared. If not, don't worry, just relax. It's not about stressing you out. This video is really about you relaxing and get the absolute maximum out of this program. And at the end, for those of you that want to hear about our New Year's program that's going to start in January, our holistic weight loss wellness program, you're welcome to stay and learn a little bit more about that. So I'm really excited at this. I am excited already. And those dishes that we're making, you know, those dishes are going to serve you so well throughout the holiday season. They're very easy to make. You can take them to any social event that even has meat eaters, people that don't care about health. They are going to love these recipes. So you're not going to have to be the odd one out anywhere. And so the whole workshop is designed as a standalone unit. You will actually have an experience, and you will not only leave with a plan, you're going to get to experience and get empowered for every step of the way. And I really look forward to seeing you and spending that time with you. Bye for now. If you have any questions, please call, text, email, whatever you need to do to get your questions answered. If you're not sure about some ingredients, just reach out. I'm more than happy to help because I want you to get the absolute best experience of this event. Bye for now.